So over here you can see that I have a color picture, and let's say I want to turn it into black and white. So in order to work around with a black and white picture inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic, it is a good idea to have it in color first. So for that, over here on the basic section, you need to go ahead and then click black and white. And then you can see that the color picture turns black and white right there. So now what you can do right here is you can go around over here onto black and white, and then here you can see that you actually have color channels. So this picture was originally color picture. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and change out the red, and you can see that it controls out the brightness of the area which is more reddish. So you can see that I can bring this down and up right here. You can similarly do that with the orange spots and so forth. So around over here, let me just go to basic, and here you can see that the background is green in color. So if I were to go around over here onto black and white and change around the green, then you can see that I can go ahead and change around the background color accordingly right here. Similarly, I can work around with aqua and so forth, and then work around with this accordingly and control how the black and white image overall looks. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize color to black and white feature in order to edit out black and white photos inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.